What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rooster. What's happening? What's happening? Okay, let's start. Rooster, what are you gonna talk about now? Well, I don't know. My question is anybody seeing me? Is anybody hearing me? Hell if I know. Brings me to a joke. A lot of people probably heard it. What do you get when you cross a hippo and a rhino? Oh, and you got a large little elephant. What do you get? Hell if I know. Kind of bees make milk? Boobies. Hey. Up, church. Can you hear me? Hey, man, I guess he doesn't want to talk to you, man. You're not that cool. You know what I'm saying, man? Like, you gotta be a special kind of cool to be like, yo, what up? Hell if I know.